Hey everyone, I want to quickly give a demo of how to create 301 redirects using Shopify's native system, as well as using an app. And what is the difference? What is the advantage? So what are 301 redirects? 301 redirects are what we call as permanent redirects. It tells any visitor that a particular page has permanently moved from XYZ page to, let's say, a new page called ABC. So, this could be for typical use cases that you had an earlier product that you deleted and you have created a new page for it, and you want to redirect all visitors who are going to the uh, old product page to the new page. I'll give you an example. Now, this is just a demo page. Let's assume that you had like this particular product, right? And earlier, the URL was slightly different. So let me create a new 404 page by editing this URL. So instead of ski packs, okay, I created just typed in a new URL. This is just to show that it is a 404 page, right? So the old URL does not exist. Now I want all customers coming to this particular page to be redirected to the new URL. So I'll just copy this particular URL. If you want to do it in the Shopify native way, what you do is that you click on content, click on menu, and click on URL redirects. Now this has changed. Earlier it was under settings, but Shopify has changed the location. I'll click on create URL redirect and paste this URL. So I don't have to paste the demo URL, and I will paste the redirect to. So what are we telling Shopify? Every user that comes to the old URL, this redirect from URL should be redirected to this particular URL. I'll click on save redirect. Okay, this is saved. Now, if I reload this page, it will automatically redirect me to the page that is currently live. Now, this is what we call as a permanent redirect. So that basically means that even the SEO juice is also preserved. So if you had any backlinks coming to the old page, the new page will also receive that SEO juice. Now, let me show how to do it via our app. It's slightly easier. So I will just uh, give a new 404 page, another 404 page. I'll go to our app, just click on reload. The good thing about our app is that we auto detect 404 pages. So you can clearly see the new page, right? So what I just have to do is I just have to remember the old URL, the one that is currently live. Go here and save. Okay, now if I reload this particular page, there you go. So the advantage between the Shopify native system and us is that it is slightly easier to use. All the 301 redirects, all the broken links will be easily displayed inside our app. And the only thing that you will have to do is just figure out what is the right URL to redirect the customers to. There are more features as well. We support 404 redirects, regex redirects, wildcard redirects, and so on. But that's for another video. Thank you.